Very good question you have asked. What is the key to success? Actually, we want a quick response in every matter. We, as a human being, want to do a thing so quickly, so promptly, that we do not even think about a little bit work to do for that cause for which we are indebted to. Success doesn't mean a single word or single jump achievement. It is, rather, we can say, a procedure what is required to be adopted by someone who want to achieve their target. And for that purpose, Allah subhanahu ta'ala has given all kind of those methods and procedures in this world. And what are these? Basically, the procedure which has been adopted by Allah Almighty for creation of this earth in which we are at present living, that is the main thing to achieve success. What is that? That is, first of all, intention. Mean we should have to make our intention that where we like to go, what is our goal, and what is our notion, what is our wish to be accomplished. Second thing after that one is we should set out such kind of a plan which is required to be very much feasible to achieve that target. And the third thing is execution, authority. Authoritative mean we should be definitely very much capable to get that one on account of those fatigues, those endeavors, those works, those kind of labors which are required to get that particular target. And the last one is execution, exactly execution. So execution mean all these things what are required to be done to achieve that particular thing are required to be done on a ground in a real sense. So the key to success is a procedure which starts from the intention of someone. Look, in the life in which we are at present existence is totally meant by endeavors, because Allah has put the gist of evolution in this world. There are two things in success. One lies with the one who want to get success. The second lies with Allah Almighty, the creator of whole cosmos. He is bestowing upon someone a success. The first part, what is that one? Intention, planning, all kind of authorities, and then execution. Second part is grant of success. And the first part is totally meant by all kind of endeavors what we are taking on in this world. The second part is totally belong to that grant what Allah grants to us. Basically, we are so hasty that we do not want to take our part to be implemented for the sake of that success. We do not make any kind of intention. If such kind of intention is there with us, we are not making any kind of proper planning. Second thing is, if we make some kind of planning, then we are not putting the authority to execute that process in a well manner. The work which is required to be done by us, we put it to Allah Almighty. And the grant and the grace of Allah Almighty, what belongs to alone Allah, we take that into our hands. We do not make any kind of struggle. We do not make any kind of endeavor, any kind of effort, any kind of, we can say, labor's work, what is required to do for the sake of that achievement in operation. And what we want? We want a success. And we are claiming sometime that, look, you will see how I achieve a success. It's mean the success we are taking into our hands. And the work what is required to be done for the achievement of that goal is not done by us. We are letting all things to Allah Almighty, that He, Allah Almighty, should do all kind of efforts for our sake. He should do all kind of endeavors, all kind of processes are concerned. That is the liability and that is the duty of Allah Almighty to do that one. And we are just, we can say, in a slumber situation talking about that we will get all kind of success in that matter. Ultimately, as an individual, when we do not do our work, how it is possible that the results what we are making in our mind to achieve would be in our hand at the time when the result would be. Look dear, the better way, rather I would like to say the best way to get success, first of all make intention, then make such kind of planning, and then make yourself authoritative to execute all those plannings what you have made in ground. and then do all kind of efforts what are required to be done for that matter. And when you done all kind of efforts, then let the results to Allah Almighty and pray to Allah Almighty at that time. Oh Allah Almighty, whatever kind of qualities and effectiveness you have granted to us at that time when we were doing such kind of efforts, it is right that we couldn't be able to do that one even, but forgive us, O Allah Almighty. We are negligent people. Now the result is in your hand. Kindly accept this of our endeavor and grant us good result. Allah will definitely grant you. But don't take the work of Allah in your hand. Do your utmost at what position you are doing your work every day. That is the best way. Otherwise, without doing any kind of work, without doing any kind of efforts, without doing any kind of laborious work what is required mentally or physically for the achievement of their particular goal, you cannot get any kind of success. For example, if you are here in this institution, ultimately for what? Mean getting higher education, good results. At the same time, if a person who is not entering in this institution, whether he would be able to get any kind of result? No, not at all. On the result day, he would not be included in this result, because he was not the part of that game what win for you. The game is here, and in game you should have to make competition. For competition you should have to show yourself, prove yourself better than others. And how you would be? On account of these efforts. Do efforts, do efforts, do efforts, and you will get good results. Otherwise, without making efforts, you are just like as longing for something without having any ground reality in your hand for the procedural work, and this is totally loss. This is not a success, it's a failure. Don't deceive yourself. Do hard work. This is the key to success. Thank you.